Hello, friends. Today we are bringing you new articles of home decor as we always bring. And today we tried to bring some unique silver mirrors for your home decor, and we tried to collect the styles which are unique and different in their style and in their design. So, if you want to choose something for your home decor, you can choose from them, and they are just amazingly adorned and beautifully made. And silver color is definitely unique and beautiful because most of the time the mirrors are decorated with golden color. With silver it looks unique, and you can use them on the wall of your dining room, on the wall of your living room, or on the wall of even on your bedroom. It makes it look amazing and beautiful, and it gives a luxury look to your house. Many mirrors are like DIY silver mirrors, but in the quality today we try to brought they all are mm, designer mirrors, and they are beautiful mirrors, and they worth their prices because their decor is durable and beautiful. Their styles are unique, and they are very beautiful. Simple beads are used in them, and they are designed very delicately. As you can see, this is so beautiful that you can use a collage of some silver mirrors to make a pattern, or you can use a single mirror and you can design it in sunburst style, or you can take some rectangular or square mirrors, and you can design them, and even you can decorate your vanity mirrors and in silver, and they look just amazing and beautiful, definitely giving a marvelous and luxurious look to your home. And viewers, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel, so in future if we try to bring something new, you can be the first one to watch this video. And you can see the stuff is amazing, and we try to bring the things which are unique in nature and beautiful. Thank you.